Today I'm making street-style chow mein from my hometown of Kolkata, where street vendors have reinvented chow mein with a punch of Indian spices. Let's make it. Like any stir-fry, this one comes together quickly in the pan but requires a bit of prep. Did you know that Kolkata has the only Chinatown in India and India's largest Chinese Indian community? I have vivid memories of going to restaurants in that part of town with my family, and I was amused at the variety of dishes they had to offer. I think it's safe to say that Indian Chinese or Indo-Chinese is my favorite cuisine. I love how they combine Chinese sauces with Indian spices. In fact, one of the sauces I'm using today was invented in Kolkata's Chinatown to cater to the fresh, spicy flavors that Bengalis love. Add as much garlic as you like. We're chopping the vegetables to mimic the shape of the noodles and make sure that they're all similarly sized so they all cook evenly. I'll link the noodles I use, and these are perfect for chow mein. But any wheat thin noodles will do. I don't want to fully cook the noodles because they might overcook while I'm stir-frying them, and I want them to retain some of their chewiness. Oil the noodles so that they don't stick together. I use some green chili oil, but any neutral oil works. Also, I probably should have beaten this egg, so do that before you add it to the pan. You could also add chicken, beef, or any other protein of your choice at this stage. This comes together in just a few minutes, so it's very important to have all your ingredients at hand. We're cooking this in the wok at high heat to replicate the smoky flavor of wok hay. Nothing needs to be cooked for more than 30 seconds. We want to retain the crunch of the vegetables. The high heat ensures that all the vegetables and the noodles get a charred flavor. The sauce is super simple. And here's the green chili sauce I was talking about. You can find it in any Indian grocery store. Look at that. The color and the aroma remind me of the streets of Kolkata. Let's try our street-style chow mein from Kolkata. As usual, this is an Indo-Chinese dish, and so there is a touch of Indian in this in the form of garam masala, which is unusual for chow mein, but it's a very small quantity and it really adds a nice fragrant touch. Have you tried this before, Ross?
Can't say I have, not that I recall.
You were too busy trying gravy momos.
Ah, yeah. Delicious.
All right, let's try it.
Let's give it a go. This is fantastic. This is definitely spicy. My mom would not be able to eat this whatsoever. I like the spiciness, of course. And this is just a fantastic take on the classic chow mein that we all love. Doesn't seem like a lot of work, and it comes together pretty quick.
Yeah, I mean, it's got that spiciness from the black pepper, as well as the green chilies we added, as well as the green chili sauce, which is another Chinese condiment that originated in Calcutta, because Calcutta has one of the largest Chinatowns in India.
Yeah, I think that green chili sauce is delivering most of the spice.
All right, try this out at home and let me know what you think. See you next week. If you loved this recipe, you're going to love my other Indo-Chinese recipe, sweet and spicy honey chili potatoes.